Huddle up, teammates! Welcome to the Inquirer Sports special coverage of the Pacquiao-Barrios fight. Manny Pacquiao versus Mario Barrios in Las Vegas at the MGM Grand, July 19. Okay, comeback fight. Just when we thought Manny was already retired, 4 years after his last fight, he's back. He's raring to go. He's going after the WBC welterweight title, and he's out to make history. And with me is Mark Reyes, who covered Manny Pacquiao's last 4 fights. So that's going to be very important because Manny's going to be fighting at 46. So it's a perfect context for us to look at how Manny can perform against Barrios at this age. So anyway, Mark, Pacquiao versus Barrios. I'm sure excited ka rin about this. No?
Of course.
You've covered him a lot, pero let's get something out of the way na kaagad. No? We have to discuss this, and I think it's the foremost question in every mind of every boxing fan right now. Manny at 46.
Yeah.
Diba?
It's an extraordinary fight for Manny. It's an extraordinary fight for both of them, actually. Biro mo, you'll face, for Barrios, you'll face somebody who's a legend but has not fought for 4 years, and everybody thought he's retired. Kay Manny naman, he surprised everybody. Just when we thought na tapos na siya,
Oo.
suddenly, he's throwing his hat back into the ring, na abangan ng maraming tao to for sure.
Tingin mo, ano yung mga naging motivation nito? Before we get into the nitty-gritty of everything, what motivations do you see? Ano yung mga hinahabol ni Manny? What is there for him to prove? Why did he have to take this fight in the first place?
Well, at first blush, ang laging isipin ng tao, he needs the money, no? Di ba, ganun na? Of course, it's about to earn a lot of money for this fight. It's going to be on pay-per-view. And a lot of people will pay really to watch this fight, no? But more than anything, Manny is a kind of fight, is an extraordinary fighter, kagaya sinabi ko, it's a great fighter. Pagka nung kang level ng fighter, pagka nung level ng athlete, you continue to break the glass ceiling that you yourself made. Ganun yun eh. Siguro si Manny talaga, marami na siyang na-break na record, marami siyang breakthroughs, marami siyang milestone in his life. Gusto pa niyang dagdagan.
Oh, and he already owns the record for the oldest
Exactly.
welterweight champion.
champion.
40. He did that when he beat, sino ba? Thurman? Tama?
Thurman, yes.
Keith Thurman. He did that when he beat Thurman. And now, may bago, no? Because he was recently, earlier this year, ininduct na siya sa
Hall of Fame.
Hall of Fame, di ba? So, he wins this fight. He becomes the first fighter to win a world title
Right after.
no? So, parang Hall of Fame ka na.
Oh.
Champion
Parang
ka na.
tinatakan mo pa lalo, no? Parang
Tinatakan mo pa
binigyan
lalo.
ka na ng award, talagang inano pa. You justified it pa.
So tama yun, sinasabi mo, no? So marami pa siyang, he's adding to the accolades that he's already received. No? So let's focus on that thing first. Yung 46 years old muna, no? So eto nga, he has a chance to become the first boxer in history to win a world title after being inducted to the Hall of Fame. But he's 46.
Yeah, 46. 46 years old siya na Manny Pacquiao. Hindi naman siya 46 years old na kagaya ng ordinaryong tao. Kung sports writer na 46, medyo hindi na niya kaya masyado mag-cover. Pero
Nagka-cramps nga ako, natutulog lang eh, di ba?
Exactly.
Pinupulikat
Di ba?
na ako.
Matisod ka lang eh. Dadamdamin mo na ng ilang araw eh. No? Pero he is Manny Pacquiao. He's a elite athlete. One of the greatest who ever fought. No? Kaya 46, it will matter of course. Especially against a 30-year-old opponent. But of course, iba yan eh. Naging ibang dimension dahil it's Manny Pacquiao. He can easily overcome that with other qualities that he has in his arsenal.
Yun yung sinasabi mo. He can easily overcome that. Now, we all know na this is not just in boxing. Pero as you age, the first things that go are your speed, number 2, your reflexes, your recovery, tapos yung yung cardiovascular abilities mo, no? So reaction time, yung mga ganun. And we all know these are Manny's strengths, diba? So pwede mo ba kaming take us down the road during his last 4 fights? Tapos nakita mo ba na did Pacquiao ever have to adjust na as he grew older, no? So during those last 4 fights, how did he progress as a fighter, and how did he sabi mo nga, no, he digs deep into his bag to offset yung mga mawala. So, anong nakita mo within those last 4 fights? Kasi, significant to eh. You covered Manny in these last 4 fights. So, basically, you're the best person who can give us
Oo,
context
talaga ba?
into, to Pacquiao Barrios. So, on those last 4 fights, anong nakita mong progression ni Manny as a fighter?
Well, if ever Manny made some adjustments with that respect, hindi naman halata masyado because of course, marami siyang qualities eh. He has strong jaw, he has a powerful punch, he has a big fighting heart, meron siyang championship mentality, meron siyang powerful punch, no? Yung speed, yon, pagdating doon sa speed na yon, kung nagkaroon siya, if ever he was second the slower, he more than made up for it. And problema kasi kay Manny during his last fight 4 years ago, hindi naman yung speed eh. Problema niyan was his capacity to recover. His body physically, no? Kaya pa niyang lumaban. Meron pa siya actual reflexes. Problema, the legs won't allow him, no? Na medyo na overtrain siya. Na alam naman ng lahat 'yon. At hindi siya he wasn't able to recover just in time to fight Ugas.
So yun yung problema, di ba? He overtrained. And alam naman natin, no? Anybody who's ever covered him before, may problema ni Manny yan. How do you stop him? How do you tell him to stop, di ba? So, do you think na yung impact of the fact that he lost that last fight, do you think that magbabago yung approach niya to training? And anong extent? Paano niya babalansehin yun na he needs to like taper down at some point.
Exactly.
Pero it's in his nature na matigas talaga yung ulo niya pagdating sa training.
Well, sana lang kasi in his corners there are the same team. It's the
Yeah.
same team, no? He's got Justin Fortune, conditioning niya, Freddy Roach of course in his corner, Buboy, his best friend. Ang problema niyan, yung kung magpapalit pa sila ng game plan, hindi ko alam kung kakayanin pa 'yon. At kung papayag si Manny doon, ano? Alam mo naman si Manny, pag naka-latch on na siya, training, buhos training yan, if they have to learn something from the Ugas fight, siguro is to how to taper off, how to control Manny, and it's all up to Manny kung talagang naman si Manny, hindi mo didiktahan. Kagaya na nga ng last fight niya with Ugas, kinukwento ko kanina, na he's been putting all the rounds. Makita mo siya kung mag-train. Nakita mo naman si Manny mag-train, sa closed door training niya. Sa wildcard, nagte-training siya for 3 hours, pero nung umaga, nag-jogging pa siya. Tapos techniques sa hapon, sa wildcard, So, sunod-sunod yun. 8 weeks siya sa LA. And then, pag dating namin ng Vegas, imbis na mag-taper off yung training niya, ang ginawa na niya, jogging pa. Dapat yung shadow
Siyempre,
boxing na
yung mga
exactly.
adoring.
Gusto niya yung tao eh.
Oo,
Kasi
nag-aabang
inaabangan
yung
siya
mga
ng
tao.
crowd. Ayaw niya, he doesn't want to disappoint the crowd who's been there. Sa Vegas, may bit siyang flag, tumatakbo siya sa oval ng University of Las Vegas. Gusto niya yun eh. Kasama yun sa kasama siguro yun sa mga bagay na hindi niya basta may iiwan, no? So gano'n na nangyari. Siguro naisip niya, the more he trains, the better chances he can knock down or knock out Ugas. Problema, na discount nila yung possibility na baka na-overtrain ka, baka hindi maka-recover yung body mo. And that's what happened. That's exactly what happened. Pero ng tayong story na naalala ko yun sa Inquirer na he was told, he was given many suggestions how to recover. Like ice bath, no? Sabi doon sa chismis yung sa
Importante yun, ice bath.
Oo, chismis sa loob ng Pacquiao camp na mag-ice bath ka, Manny. He was being advised to take an ice bath. Ayaw raw ni Manny, no? Parang sinasabi doon na baka mapasma. Di ba? Kung totoo pero ayun lang umuugong doon the night before. And right after the fight, when the outcome was said, isip mo parang totoo nga yata. Talagang hindi nga yata nag-recover, no? Hindi talaga siya, kasi nga, hindi siya sumunod sa mga advice sa kanya.
Sabi mo, di ba? Sabi mo kanina na he has a lot of things going for him. Marami siyang skills as a boxer that can make up for, like, sabi nga natin, no? One of his greatest strengths talaga yung punching at all angles, yung in and out, side-to-side movement, and the fact na he can throw rapid combinations such as short burst. So, pero yun nga, dahil yung mga usually pag yung tinatawag natin yung parang mga fast twitch fiber sa muscles, diba, nagde-degrade yan over time. But power is the last to go. And alam naman natin na he does have power, di ba? I
Yeah.
mean, he hasn't, siguro, I mean, people say na nawala yung knockout punch niya, pero may sting pa rin, no? Wala man siyang knockout since 2009, if I'm not mistaken, no? Pero ilang beses, ang dami na niyang napabagsak, di ba? And so the power is still there. Do you think that that power will come into play against someone like Barrios?
Of course, as long as he's able to recover from this training, kasi I heard talagang grabe rin training niya the past 2 months. He's able to recover and be wise about it and really listen to his body. Tingin ko, mababalik pa rin niya. He can summon all the strength, all the speed that he had all his life, all his career. He really has to be 100% fit, even for his age, to para may bigay niya yung bell to bell na kung saan siya kilala, no? Especially against a 30-year-old fighter na for sure magtatagal yan. Lalo na kung hindi tinatamaan, no? But for money, of course, training. But then again, he has the world-class trainers, world-class court in his corner, no? So, you cannot discount that. Of course, he's an elite fighter. So, anything can happen. And most probably, it will happen in Pacquiao's way.
Pwede ba natin tignan si Manny? Is there a part of you na nag-expect na lalaban siya in pockets during the fight, no? Pero matigas talaga ulo niya eh. Pero do you think na kayang ipa-realize ng corner niya na kailangan you have to be smart about this. 46 ka na, hindi ka na.
Hopefully. Kasi, pero at this stage of his career, probably his very last fight. Parang bibigyan pa ba siya ng gano'ng klaseng
Pwede bang magbago? Pero yung mentality, kaya ba niyang baguhin yung mentality niya na because of course it's not really a trailblazing thing to fight when you're 40. No? We've had fighters do that. George Foreman, sinasabi mo kanina, Bernard Hopkins, di ba? Who was a world champion.
But these are big fighters. They fight in the heavier category na doesn't really show speed.
Hindi nagre-require na yung athleticism o yung mga gano'n, di ba? In fact,
more on power.
George Foreman has never really fought that way. Kahit
even in his prime, yes.
Di ba? So parang heavy punching lang, tapos timing lang. Do you think that gagawin ni Manny yun? Kaya ba niya mag-shift gears at this point of his career na, sige, abangan lang kita. Because we know, and we will discuss this later, no? Si Barrios is really the perfect type of opponent for Manny, no? Kaya niya, will he have the mental fortitude to tell himself na, easy ka lang muna. Relax ka lang muna, boy. Huwag ka munang all out ka agad.
Well, one of the qualities of Manny Pacquiao that made him a great fighter is discipline. So kung tinatanong mo kung kaya, I'm sure kakayanan niya if he really wants to, no? But then again, Manny is not hindi siya compartmentalized boxer, wala siyang formula eh. Kung ano yung he relies on his instinct, when he sense danger, when he sense blood, talagang he will go for it. So, natin alam. Baka kung first round pa lang, maganda nang napakita niya.
Maganda yung
tatapusin na niya.
Going into the fight, no? Gusto ko lang i-pick up from what you said kanina, yung instinct niya nandun. The one thing, of course, that's gonna be going for him at 46 is yung experience niya. No? So, let's talk about all the fights that he's been through, yung craftiness niya, yung ability niya to think on the fly. How will this How will this play into the matchup against Barrios?
Well, it's a big factor against Barrios. Somebody like Barrios na hindi ganun ka-experience, although at 30, no? Marami rin siya nakalawan. Pero against Manny's expertise, against Manny's ring smarts, malaking bagay ito. Malaking bagay sa fight na to for Manny na alam niya what to do. At split seconds, making decisions on the fly, throwing punches, when to throw punches, when not, when to feint, and when to move. As long as his body allows him, it's going to be a good fight for Manny.
Interestingly, they have two common opponents. I mean, that I know of. Two of common opponents na si Ugas, which was his last fight, and si Turman, di ba? And although Barrios defeated
Ugas,
Pero tinalo siya ni Thurman. No? So,
Tunay siya ni Thurman.
let's dial it back to Pacquiao versus Thurman. Kasi that was also 40, we also saw a 40-year-old Manny. No? So, what did you see in Pacquiao that during the Thurman fight na pwede niyang i-carry over dito sa laban against Barrios?
Ito kasi si Keith Thurman's very articulate fighter, almost telegraphing his punches.
Oo
Ganon, sa mga interviews, no? Siguro na-trigger doon si Manny, no, na to give it his all. Tumumba si Thurman noon, one time.
he fell.
Nagulat siya sa combination of punches. The crazy angles, sabi niya later on, ano. Yun, maraming gustong i-prove si Manny, no, because when he won that, he was the oldest welterweight champion. So you can factor it in here sa laban kay Ugas. Na yung drive, yung motivation, and how he's triggered.
And so as Manny, going to this fight, one of the key statistics that we have to look at since turning 40, he has thrown 10 less punches per round and he has landed 7 less punches per round, no? According to CompuBox. So nakikita natin na medyo yun nga, there's been a decline in the work rate. No? So but this has been his strength all along, no? He has always outworked his opponents, no? Laging naman ganun eh. So how do you think he offsets that against Barrios? What does his corner need to do to make sure na yung mga ganung reduced punches thrown, di ba, doesn't affect him during the fight?
But I think he needs to move a lot. Na meron naman talaga sa kanya yun, move faster, use his speed, no? Whatever speed na na-retain niya, no? And then make good use of his punches. Good timing. When to throw the punches. Don't throw punches that would na hindi naman no? Make the punches count. Yun. Siguro ganun ang magiging niya against Barrios in this fight. And Barrios is he's moves straight forward, no? Sumusugod siya, goes through the punches. Kaya Manny can take advantage of this. Of course, bigger than Manny, mas malaking target for him na gusto ni Manny maganyang kalaban. So, I'm sure nasa isip na nila yan, nasa isip na ng training camp, nasa isip na ng Pacquiao camp yan.